Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to set Microsoft Word as a default application in Windows 11. So this is very easy to set it. So first you need to search default apps and open it. Now set default for application. So search Word and click on it Word. So you see this select default file types or link types. So you select like anyone dc.doc, just click on it. So in this list you need to select world and select default. Click on it, set default. So just click on it. So you can very easily select default file like another file this .rtf. So simply just click on it and select world and set default. Simply click on it. So this world will be select in rtf default file. So very easily you can set it. Now close it. So this way you can set Microsoft Word as a default application in Windows 11. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos.